All are fine? Very nice. Myself, Atika Kudle. We are going to study awareness subject. So, take your awareness book. Take your awareness book. Open page number 4646. Open page 4646. Take your nicely sharpened pencil and eraser as well as. We'll wait for 2 seconds. Let all of them get ready with their books, pencil as well as eraser. All are ready? Let's start. Children, today we are going to study a new subject, a new topic, that is vehicles. Now, many types of vehicles are there. From that, we are going to see some vehicles and we are going to name them. Okay, let's start. What is this? What is the name of this vehicle? Yes, children? Yes, aeroplane. This is an aeroplane. Okay. Name this vehicle. This is a bus. Very good. Now, what is this? This is a train. Very good. What is this? Very good. This is helicopter. After that, next is car. What is this? Car. Next is auto rickshaw. Next is auto rickshaw. Then what is this? This is a jeep. Then this is motorbike. After that, this is a truck. This is a bullock cart. Okay? All these are called vehicles. Okay, children. Now, children, I have shown you just now vehicles. Now, in these vehicles, some vehicles are very fast. Some vehicles are very fast and some are slow. Isn't it? So, today we are going to study which vehicles are very fast and which vehicles are very slow. Okay. As well as we are going to study about our own individual vehicle and public transport. Okay. Let's see. Take your book. Be ready with your pencil and eraser. Now, the name of the lesson is vehicles. Now, what they are asking here, let's see. Write F for fast vehicles and S for slow vehicles. Okay. What they are saying? We have seen just now vehicles. Yes, same way here also they have given the picture of vehicles. Now, first picture is of aeroplane. Aeroplane is a fast vehicle or a slow vehicle? बहुत fast चलने वाला. Yes, then aeroplane is a fast vehicle or a slow. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता चलने वाला vehicle है, जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. या बहुत फास्ट है ये. Correct. This is a very fast vehicle. So, the circle is given here. In this circle, you are going to write capital F for fast vehicle. Okay, children? For fast vehicles, what you are going to write? Capital F. Okay, aeroplane is a fast vehicle. बहुत जल्दी से पहुंच जाते हैं ना हम लोग कहीं पे भी. अगर यहाँ से आपको बॉम्बे जाना है या फिर आउट ऑफ कंट्री जाना है तो आप कितना घंटों में पहुंच जाते हो. टाइम लगता है क्या? नो. आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट इज ट्रेन. Train is also a fast vehicle. So write capital F in the circle. Then next is ship. Ship is also a fast vehicle. Ship is also a fast vehicle. Children, if you will compare the ship with the boat, then boat is a slow vehicle compared to ship. Boat is slow vehicle. So write capital S in the circle. Boat is a slow vehicle. Okay, children. Now, next is scooter. अगर आप लोग रेस लगाए बाइसिकल और स्कूटर के बीच में, तो सब में फास्ट कौन सा चलेगा? स्कूटर चलेगा या फिर साइकिल चलेगी? Which is fast one? Which is the fastest vehicle? Scooter or the bicycle? कौन पहले जीतेगा? रेस कौन जीतेगा? स्कूटर वाला जीतेगा या फिर साइकिल वाला जीतेगा? Correct. The scooter man will win the race because scooter is fast vehicle. Then next is helicopter. Helicopter is also a fast vehicle. Helicopter is also a fast vehicle. Now, next is cycle rickshaw. Cycle rickshaw is slow vehicle. So, write capital S in the circle. Wrote all of you? Now, turn the page. Those who are writing, write fast, and those who have finished writing, turn the page. Oh, sorry, no need to turn the page. On the side page it is there. Some more vehicles. These are some more fast vehicles. Some more fast vehicles. What are they? Let's see. First one is rocket. Rocket is also a fast vehicle. Second is bullet train. This is also a fast vehicle. Then space shuttle is also a fast vehicle. Then cable car. Cable car is also a fast vehicle. Then submarine. Submarine is also a fast vehicle. Okay, children? Did you all understood? Now, children, beside this, now we have studied about what are fast vehicles, what are slow vehicles. We have done the comparison about fast vehicle and slow vehicles. Now, beside this, we are going to see what are public transport and what are private transport. Just have a look. Public transport means what? जो हमारी खुद की नहीं रहती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बस हमारी खुद की होती है क्या? जैसे एक कार, पापा क्या करते हैं, नई शोरूम से एक कार खरीदते हैं, या फिर आपकी खुद की जो साइकिल होती है वो क्या है? आपकी प्राइवेट ट्रांसफर है. उसके ऊपर सिर्फ आप अकेले ही बैठ सकते हो, है ना? अगर कोई आपको मांगा तो आप दोगे. बट पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट ऐसी चीज है जिसका फायदा सब लोग ले सकते हैं. This is a benefit where all people can take the benefit of this public transport. By paying some money, you can take the benefit of public transport. For example, rickshaw, auto rickshaw. ऑटो रिक्शा किसी एक की होती है क्या? नो. कोई भी इसके अंदर बैठ के जा सकता है ना. आप पे करो इसमें बैठकर और आपको जहां पे जाना है ऑटो वाला आपको छोड़ देगा, isn't it? Then bus is also a public transport. Then cable car is also a public transport. Aeroplane किसी एक का होता है क्या? No, it is a public transport. Then train is also a public transport. Then cab, आप ये मोबाइल पे कैब बुक करते हो ना, that is also a public transport. Ferry, this is also a public transport. Now let's see where all type of publics can take the benefit by paying some amount. They can take the benefit of these vehicles, of these transports. Now as compared to this public transport, if we will see private transports, private transport is of only a individual person. प्राइवेट ट्रांसपोर्ट क्या है? एक आदमी की खुद की खरीदी हुई चीज। जैसे अगर आपके पापा ने कार खरीदी है तो कार में सिर्फ आपकी फैमिली बैठेगी, पापा चलाएंगे, पापा के साथ मम्मा, आप लोग, मतलब आपकी फैमिली के लोग, यहाँ पे सिर्फ आपकी फैमिली के लोग बैठ सकते हैं। दूसरे लोग बैठ सकते हैं क्या? जैसे हम लोग ऑटो रुकाते हैं, ऑटो, हम लोगों को कहीं पे जाना होता है, जिन लोगों के पास कार नहीं रहती है तो वो लोग क्या करते हैं? ऑटो रुकाते हैं। ऑटो रुकाकर वहाँ पे बोलते हैं कि हमें यहाँ पे जाना है, हम पैसे देते हैं, आपको पे करते हैं, आप हमारे को छोड़ दो, तो ऑटो छोड़ देती है उनको। क्या उसी तरीके से हम लोग दूसरों की कार रुकाकर बोल सकते हैं क्या कि हम लोगों को यहाँ पे जाना है, फंक्शन में जाना है, आप हमारे को छोड़ दो, हम पे करेंगे आपको, ऐसे बोल सकते हैं क्या? No, we can't say that because private transport is individuals private transport. For example, motorbike, bicycle, scooter, all these come under private transport. आपके घर के सामने जब आप आपकी बाइक लगाते हो, कार लगाते हो, साइकिल लगाते हो, कोई भी आकर लेके जा सकता है क्या? नहीं, कोई भी नहीं लेके जा सकता। क्यों? क्योंकि वो चीज आपने खरीदी हुई है, आपने उसे पे किए करके खरीदा है, तो वो आपकी खुद की बाइक, कार, बाइसिकल होती है, इसीलिए दूसरे कोई भी उसको टच नहीं कर सकते और वहां पे उसे लेकर घूम नहीं सकते। दिस इज कॉल्ड प्राइवेट transport. Okay children, did you all understood what are vehicles, what are fast vehicles, what are slow vehicles? Yes, fast vehicles वो होते हैं जो हमें थोड़े से टाइम में जल्दी पहुंचा देते हैं, और स्लो व्हीकल्स वो होते हैं जो ज्यादा टाइम लेने के बाद हम लोगों को हमारे स्पॉट पे पहुंचाते हैं जहां पे हम लोगों को जाना होता है। So these are fast and slow vehicles. After that, private transport, public transport, that also you have seen right now, isn't it? Now after that, turn the page. Fun time is there. Fun time is there. Let's see what is that. Color the train. Now this is a train. What you have to do here? You have to color this train. Okay. Is the train a fast or a slow vehicle? Yes, children. Is the train a fast or a slow vehicle? Correct. Train is a fast vehicle. Very good. Then next is it a model of public or private transport? Is it a mode of public or private transport? ये क्या है ट्रेन? पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट है या प्राइवेट ट्रांसपोर्ट है? Yes, correct. It is a public transport. So you have to do it for your homework. This page is for your homework. Okay, children? You have to color the train and you have to answer these two questions. Just now we have seen the questions as well as their answers also. Isn't it, children? Today we have studied about vehicles. Isn't it? So once again you revise this lesson. Do the homework what teacher has given to you. Okay? Till then, bye. Take care.